Hello, third graders. Okay, so now you're on place value up to 1,000 review. Okay, so on the other place value Google slides, you guys worked up to 100. So now we're going to work up to thousands. I hope you're ready because I'm ready too. Okay, let's get started. So over here, the place value anchor chart is right here to help you. So each one of these numbers is digits, right? Value is the amount each digit is worth. So this 2, the value of the 2 is that it's in its ones place, so it is 1. Place value is the value of the digit based on its number. The digit in the tens place is 5. The value of the tens place is 50. Okay? So that means the digit in the hundreds place is 4, but the value of this number is 400. Okay? So then the 1 is the digit in the thousands place, which means the value of this 1 is 1,000. Okay? And then the same thing for the rest of the numbers. So we could do what place it's in, and also what value it is. Okay? So now I just want to give you support on step 2. So on step 2, hold on, let me move my camera real fast. On step 2, this is what it will look like. This video is actually done by other students, so I thought it was just awesome to see that students can do this digitally too, and hopefully we can get to a place like that here soon, but not right now. So this chart that I have, or this table, you're going to label with words what place, what digit this place is at, these numbers are at. So right here, what place is this 1 at? Is it thousands, hundreds, tens, ones? What place is it at? Same thing for the 8. What place is the 8 at? What place is the 7 at? What place is the 6 at? Okay? And then you're going to do the exact same thing here. You're going to label if it's thousands, hundreds, tens, or ones. On the next slide, there is a fun game. If you click here, you can click to play the game. Once you're done playing the game, please write your score, how many you got correct. Same thing here. You're just doing the place value of the highlighted number. You're going to do the place value task card. What number is this? The big blocks is thousands. And that's the same thing. You're just going to work through. Here is another game. This is a place value matching game. If you click here, you can play. And then what is your score? And then your last part is to share it with me. Okay? All right. Awesome job today. Keep up the hard work, and I will talk to you soon. Have a great day.